So today I will cover my first trading month in the live market. Is it plus or minus? What difficulties I had to face? What things did I learn? And my plans for the next month. My goal was from 8 to 10% profit target. I thought this would be proof to myself that I could go to a prop firm, but the understanding came that this is too big goal and even 2% profit can be enough. However, this month was negative. Had 29 trades, overall in minus 8%, but I'm very confident and it's really possible that I can be in plus with the second month. The first week of this month was break even. The second one in minus 8%, third in minus 2%, and the fourth I think so, yeah, in the 2+%. The second week's few trades were with a really bad structure. I know that I could be in a smaller minus, but that's my fault. I want to tell you one thing. Once you understand the edge and the tested system is profitable, you simply need to trust the process. And you can have even a few losing months in a row. But for example, in the fourth month, you can have a big runners that cover all those losses. And that puts you in a 1% profit zone. The cycle can repeat and you can move up to that 2%. Over the year, you'll probably end up with a few percent of the profit in your bag. And that's enough to be profitable and make money from trading. However, in this scenario, 90% of traders will give up in the first weeks. They think that the best traders have no losses, but everything is way different than they think. Most profitable systems have very low win rates but target very high risk reward. That means they have losing trades from 70 to 90% of the time. When you understand this, that means you have the edge. And the last thing you have to do to execute your system and trust the process. One of the watched webinars in this month, I really understood and had a deep click in my mind about structure. Then I saw how many trades I was taking in intermediate, aka fixed structure or against market direction. At the same time, I learned how to stay out of the market when are bad conditions or just confusing structure. I need to know that before taking a trade, the market structure is very clear and I'm not confused about anything. Ladies and gentlemen, there are multiple opportunities every single day and I don't need to be in the big market run because firstly, I will just gather more losses. If I will just be forcing trades that do not even correspond to all my plan rules. Secondly, we as a traders don't need a huge market move to make money. Instead, we earn a really good amount of cash in the smallest market moves. So these are the major lessons I learned from this month. Now this better understanding of structure will help me a lot. It was like a missing piece of this puzzle. So what type of difficulties I had to face? Probably the most annoying thing was I missed a few really good trades because of school. And in one of the weekly updates, I covered this. So surely I was distracted because of teachers or just couldn't reach my phone at this exact moment in the lesson. But I think I started to handle this thing and I'm more focused at that period while I wait for confirmation in the market. I just literally cut off from the world and take 100% focus on the charts. For example, sometimes it happens while I talk with my friends and I just tell them, sorry guys, now I have to place the trade. I know it's kinda disrespectful, but they understand it and this is just the life of a trader. So I try to type in really fast those price orders. Bam bam, everything said, back to the conversation. I don't place trades extremely fast for no reason. The thing is, I enter trades from 1 to 5 minute range time frame. Of course, there are even traders with a 1 second time frames. You have no time because the market can pull back to your entry point incredibly fast and run in your direction while you're typing all those price orders. And it happened to me several times. I can go to a higher time frame, but shorter time frames more preferable for me. It's my choice and I know with what things I could struggle. For for example, at this time. So the last thing I will cover today is my expectations and plans for the next month. So my goal is a bit different now, to hit 2% plus at a minimum. Simple as that. This will show that I'm profitable and I could go and start a prop firm challenge. There is a bigger chance to accomplish this, but it remains a probability of being in minus at the end of the month. Fairly said, there is no set percentage when you achieve it, and that means you're 100% ready for the prop firm challenge. The major thing you need is proven profitability and no lack of confidence in what you're doing. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, the first month went not how I expected, but everything is great. No worries, no doubt I will get what I want. Hope you all liked this video. Write down your comments. Do you like my weekly updates or not, and which topic is bothering you? Maybe I can cover it in a future video. And yeah, see you in the next one.